but it took 24 minutes and to pump them. I pumped them up, and Julie put the paddles together in the seats, and it's not that bad. If my electric pump would have been fully charged, it would have been a little bit faster. Gold Springs Park, Alberta. Got the Intex K1. Julie's in the K1. I'm in the Explorer. This one's a little bit wobblier. Hey Julie, can you do this with yours? This little lake used to be the river. They blocked it off. Dammed up both ends. It's spring fed. And it's 10 minutes from home. It's pretty nice. Except for they don't allow dogs near the water. Dogs can't even touch the water. I will videotape and paddle. Peaceful. Should be mule deer coming down sometime. Nice to catch a 5-pounder on video. I pulled my boat around her. Okay, the fish are jumping. Saw a couple little tiny minnows jump. Here comes Julie. She's really moving. Look at that reflection. Pretty cool. There it goes. And it's a horseshoe shaped little lake. I don't know. I guess you'd call it a lake. And the other end usually catch more fish. Trolling with the kayak. First time. Just a little one, but he was probably 10 inches long. And it's caught me in the mouth, so I let him grow up a little bit. But it's sure a nice night here. A big one got away. Nobody's wearing masks down here. Don't see anybody wearing masks. An aerator. They got several aerators out here, so keep the fish healthier.